Good afternoon, my name is Hamna Bey, and Lake Nona is a rapidly developing community. And for my research, I used the futuristic lens. The first source was Orlando's newest attraction is medical. I chose this as my first source, as it describes how Medical City developed over time. The second source continues on with the development of Medical City, but it also broadens towards the Lake Nona as a whole. The third source I use is Lake Nona opening doors to healthy smart home, as it uses the sources 1 and 2 from the past of Lake Nona to predict what will happen in the future. The final source, I use a vision of a smart city, which explains what a smart city is and what other cities have used the same process. So to go a bit more detail, my first source, Orlando's newest attraction is medical, describes the history of Lake Nona. It describes how Lake Nona used to start as only green fields, but now has developed a medical city over time. This source provides lots of evidence, such as Nemours, the VA hospital, and all the other research centers that have contributed to the medical city. The negative part of this article is that it did not include any counterclaims. Okay, my second source, which is How to Build a Great American City, describes the history of Lake Nona. Instead of just focusing on just Medical City, it expands on to just Lake Nona as a whole. This source has a lot of evidence, which includes the new areas that have developed over time, such as Laurier Park, North Lake Park, Medical City, and Lake Nona Golf and Country Club. The negative aspects of this article that did not include any counterclaims. It also had only explained the positive developments over time in Lake Nona. And from the source, I did not use the information about sidewalks, as it did not have a huge contribution of the impact of Lake Nona fitting into my lens. Source number 3 discusses the futuristic hopes for Lake Nona. So the positive aspects of this was explain in detail about smart homes and how it can help people in the future. For the negative aspects, that it did not include a counterclaim and how it can not help those in the future. From the source, I did not explain how the healthy benefits of this. I did not explain the healthy benefits it can affect the people, as it did not fit the futuristic lens. My final source, which is Smart City, the vision of a smart city, describes the future in smart cities. So it gives an explanation of what a smart city is and the cities that have already known as smart cities. This article has included a lot of evidence, such as the Smart Cities initiatives, which make up a smart city and what is soon going to be part of that smart city definition. The negative aspects is that this article did not include a counterclaim. In conclusion, these sources are going to help me to help me answer my question about the futuristic lens. What questions do you have? Thank you.